part 5. So, before we continue to another type of Ghunnah, let us remind ourselves about Noon Sakina and Tanween. So, Noon Sakina is just a Noon with Sukoon. Remember, Noon Sakina is just a Noon with Sukoon. And this is Tanween, double Fatha, double Kasra, and double Dhamma. And remember that double Fatha, double Kasra, and double Dhamma have tiny hidden Noon Sakin in them. So remember, Tanween has a hidden Noon Sakina in it. So, if Ba has double Fatha on it, it is the exact same as Ba with Fatha, and after it is Noon with Sukoon. So we read them as this: Ben, Ben. And also, if Ba has double Kasra, it is the exact same as Ba with Kasra, and after it is Noon with Sukoon. We read them both as this: Bin, Bin. Similarly, if Ba has double Dhamma on it, it is the exact same as Ba with Dhamma, and after it is Noon with Sukoon. So we read them both like this: Bun, Bun. Therefore, the rules of Noon Sakina and Tanween are the same. Tanween is double Fatha, double Kasra, and double Dhamma. They have tiny hidden Noon Sakin in them. Now let's move on to Ghunnah type 5. Ghunnah type 5 is when Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by Ya or Waw, then we must recite it with Ghunnah. In this case, Shadda is placed on Ya and Waw. And this rule is called Idgham. Repeat after me: Idgham. And remember, Ghunnah means two things. 1, a sound through your nose, and 2, stretching it twice. So now let's take an example of Idgham after Noon Sakina. So in this word, there is Noon Sakina, and after it is Ya, and this Ya has Shadda. So what is this? Idgham. But what do we have to do when there is Idgham? We have to make Ghunnah, and Ghunnah is 2 cats. So repeat after me twice. لمن يشاء لمن يشاء لمن يشاء. Now let's take an example of Idgham after Tanween. So in this word, there is Ha with Tanween, and after it is Waw. Waw has Shadda on it. So what is this? Idgham. And when there is Idgham, we must make Ghunnah. So repeat after me twice. Ilahun wahidun. Ilahun wahidun. Ilahun wahidun. Now let's take another example of Idgham after Tanween. لقوم يعقلون لقوم يعقلون لقوم يعقلون. And now let's take another example of Idgham after Noon Sakina. من ولي من ولي من ولي. And now we have come to the end of this lesson. If this lesson was very hard, then just rewatch the lessons over and over again. I hope you become very good in Idgham. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Qur'an. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.